Hi, welcome you all. In this tutorial, we will see how to generate e-certificates in Google Forms using certify'em tool. For this, I have created a quiz on quantitative aptitude. I have added 20 questions in this form. Now we will see the preview. Now the Google form is ready with questions. Click on the More option and click Add-ons. You got a new window. You just search for certify'em. Here you got the certify'em and install it. Now we have the add-ons here. The certify'em is an add-on product which is added to the Google form. Just click the certify'em. Again you click show certify'em controls. In the window, in the status, you just click certification is on and you decide the passing score. Here we have lot of template options. You can create your own certificates using a custom template. I am just selecting custom template. To create a certificate on your own, you just open a new presentation on your screen. It will open a new presentation. Now I am importing a new background image for my certificate. I have imported a new background image for my certificate and I have added the contents to the presentation. Now I will make an entire presentation a copy. So I will name it as QA. Now I have added the contents to the certificate. Now my certificate is ready with the name QA. Go to Google Forms. And make a selection QA. Now the QA is selected as a certificate. Now save changes to the certificate. Now QA is added to the form. Now we can preview the certificate or else we can also see the preview through mail. With the preview option, you can test your form. Now I am giving email address. Now I have answered all the questions. Now I am submitting my form. When I click submit, the certify'em will generate certificate automatically and email to the participants. Now my certificate is ready. Thanks for watching.